putting the quarters in. Oh, Kathryn. I'm dropping coins.
Drop the quarter.
Enjoy the ride, kids.
I love you. You're so funny.
Are you okay, Kathryn?
She bumped her forehead.
Are you okay?
Yes. That is
Hi, Justin.
Hi.
I got stuck on the machine.
Ooh, that's... I'm smexy.
But aside from the fact that I'm extremely cramped.
Ooh, double bubble. I like this song.
I know. Can we find out what its name is?
It's called Highway to the Danger Zone. I need to wash my hands, they're all bubbly.
My battery says it's low.
Are you too tall? Is that why you can't fit?
I can't fit in it.
It's because you're too tall.
I mean, I've tried.
Oh, Kathy. Oh my god.
Oh my god, Justin. I'm gonna
Can I sit on top?
I'm gonna kick you once I get out of this thing.
This is awkward. Look at that. I died. Aw.